let's make creamy pasta today. Let's cut all the vegetables. Water is boiling. Let's add pasta. Let's cook pasta until it becomes soft. Until pasta boils, let me ask you one question. What is the financial capital of India? If you know it, please comment it. I think pasta is boiled. Pasta is cooked nicely. Drain out the water. Add some cold water. Add some sesame oil. Add garlic. Add onion slices. Add carrot pieces. Add some capsicum. Add tomato pieces. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes until veggies become soft, okay? Add half tablespoon salt to the veggies. Wow, veggies are nicely cooked. Let's keep it aside. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of maida. Add 2 cups of milk. Stir it until it becomes creamy. Wow, it is becoming creamy. Now add all the veggies into the cream. Now add boiled pasta. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon oregano. Add half teaspoon chili flakes. Wow, yummy pasta is ready. You can add cheese if you want. Yummy pasta is now ready. Let's taste it. Wow, so yummy. For more recipes, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please.